Greetings! Today, I'll guide you through effective steps to ensure optimal cooling for your PS5. To begin, carefully remove the console's lid, granting access to the fan cover. Next, detach the side panel, now using a T8 screwdriver, and proceed to loosen the 4 screws securing the fan cover. Upon inspection, you'll likely notice accumulated dust outside the fan. Gently pull back the plastic cover hiding the wires and proceed to disconnect the fan from the console. Exercise caution when handling the fan plug, ensuring a smooth and careful removal. Although the dust accumulation may not be severe, it serves as a visual reminder to regularly maintain your console. To prevent any issues caused by dust, utilize compressed air or a dust blower, as demonstrated here. Start the cleaning process at the back to free up the internal dust wall. A 6-month cleaning routine can significantly contribute to keeping your console in top-notch condition. Given the substantial heat generated by the PS5 during operation, neglecting dust removal may lead to overheating issues and, consequently, malfunctions. If you encounter random shutdowns during gaming, especially after a specific duration, dust buildup could be a key. Thoroughly clean the fan before reassembling the components. Repeat the cleaning process by removing the bottom cover until no visible dust remains. It's worth noting that the PS5's design, particularly its cooling system, may pose challenges. The compact vents and lack of cool air circulation from the power supply can result in improper shutdowns. Despite the absence of explicit overheating warnings, random shutdowns may indicate a need for proactive dust management. Dust buildup in game consoles can lead to overheating and reduced performance by obstructing cooling systems. This can result in thermal throttling, causing lower frame rates and slower load times. Hardware damage may occur due to prolonged exposure to elevated temperatures, affecting internal components like the memory and APU. Increased fan noise is a common symptom as fans work harder to compensate for reduced airflow. The console's lifespan may be shortened, and there is a potential fire hazard. In extreme cases, this is very rare. Regular cleaning with compressed air is essential to prevent these issues, following manufacturer guidelines to avoid causing damage. Placing the console in well-ventilated areas and keeping it elevated can help minimize dust accumulation and maintain optimal performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please let us know. Additionally, feel free to share your thoughts on the PS5's design. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.